अस्सलाम वालेकुम ऑल फ्रेंड्स। आज हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे टेस्ला अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन ओवर मॉडल एस एक्स एस सीट बेल्ट फॉल्ट। USA's National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is investigation two known crash related seat belt failures in newer Tesla Model X vehicles. Two Model X owners reported that their front seat belt disconnected from the anchor pre-tensioner. The separation occurred while the owners were driving their 2022 and 2023 Model X UVs respectively. Investigators state that both vehicles were delivered to the owners with insufficiently connected anchor linkages. On March 24, NHTSA began investigating up to 50,000 model vehicles. The agency says the anchor and pretensioners were not properly connected during assembly and were only stuck together by friction fit, causing connection failure in both cases. The report cited the following reasons for the sudden disconnect: the force exerted on the linkage overcame the resistance of the friction fit while the vehicles were in motion. Last year, Tesla issued a seatbelt recall for over 24,000 Model 3 vehicles. Reports stated that the techs misassembled the rear seat anchor. Tesla also recently recalled several models over software issue that is causing a crash risk. The company lackluster quality control has been a subject of heated discussions among experts for a long time. The recent string of recalls has added fuel to that fire. तो फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करते हैं ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए इंतहाई अहम होगी। इस तरह की मजीद मालूमाती और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस हासिल करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाली तमाम तरह इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आप तक बआसानी और टाइम पर पहुंच सकें। थैंक्स एंड अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।